us for FLOGEN SIPS 2026 in Rio de Janeiro at Copacabana Beach, held at the Rio Othon Palace. The Sustainable Industrial Processing Summit, SIPS 2026, also known as the Sustainability Through Science and Technology Summit, will take place from November 30th to December 3rd, 2026. Organized by the not-for-profit FLOGEN Stars Outreach, this premier annual event continues its 23-year legacy as a science-focused and industrial engineering-oriented summit dedicated to global sustainability. Built upon the FLOGEN Sustainability Framework, it is a unique model that ensures sustainability through the balance of 3 equally important criteria and 3 supporting pillars. The criteria are economic development, environmental protection, and social development. The pillars are science and technology, governance and management, and education and civil society. Each pillar supports the fulfillment of all 3 criteria, creating a balanced and integrated approach to sustainability. SIPS 2026 features an impressive lineup of 55 international symposia, spanning fields from green chemistry and advanced manufacturing to medical innovations and mineral processing. This prestigious gathering will be attended by leading scientists and Nobel laureates from around the globe, all dedicated to bridging the gap between scientific domains and the pursuit of sustainable development. Experience the icon Rio Othon Palace. The summit will be held at the legendary Rio Othon Palace, an icon that has defined the world's most famous beachfront, Copacabana, for half a century. In a constant process of revitalization, the hotel perfectly combines its rich history with modernity, offering a high-standard structure and the expertise of those who truly understand the Rio de Janeiro lifestyle. From its privileged location to its stunning panoramic views, every detail is an invitation to a memorable professional experience. Discover the magic of Rio de Janeiro. Beyond the technical sessions, immerse yourself in the vibrant soul of Rio de Janeiro. From the rhythmic energy of Copacabana to the city's breathtaking natural landscapes and iconic landmarks, Rio offers a unique blend of culture, sun, and sophistication. It serves as the perfect backdrop for global leaders to collaborate, innovate, and shape a more sustainable future for our planet.